breaking news coming in from the courts. It seems the film Dhurandhar is now seeing some legal troubles. The family of Indian Army martyr Manoj Sharma has approached the court and asked the court to intervene in the fact that the film is getting released. They are saying that it could be loosely based on his biopic, but the High Court in that matter has now asked the Central CBFC to take into account the concerns that are being raised by the parents of Major Mohit Sharma before granting the certificate to the film. Right now, the film is under consideration. It has not been granted a certificate by the CBFC. In fact, the court has also told the CBFC to consider sending the matter to the army for clearance to find out whether the film is based on Major Manoj Sharma's life or not. This order was passed on the plea, and this plea was filed by the martyred Major Sharma's parents, who say that the film has directly portrayed the life and covert operations of the martyred officer and has also directly portrayed real Pakistani persons and officers involved in the covert operations. The family is saying that it violates their right to privacy and dignity. And joining us live from the newsroom is Anisha Mathur. Anisha, do give us the details of this case.
Well, Ajay, as you were just discussing, Major Sharma's parents have gone to the Delhi High Court saying that direct events from Major Sharma's life and covert operations were in fact being portrayed, that since the trailer has come out and even before the trailer, since the film has been announced, the media has been reporting on how this film is based on the life of Major Sharma. Now, what they're saying is that he's a martyred officer, he was part of several covert operations, and that his family as well as the armed forces should have been consulted and their permission should have been taken before this kind of portrayal. In fact, today during the hearing, the counsel appearing for the parents pointed out that some of the characters that are shown in the trailer seem to be the same as some of the persons that Major Sharma had interacted with. Especially, they've taken names of some of the officers and people in Pakistan that Major Sharma had worked with, saying that this seems to be a direct portrayal and not simply something that is inspired by his life. And even if it was inspired by his life, they should have consulted the family since he is a martyred officer. Now, the CBFC in its arguments has said that the certification process is still under consideration, that this film has not been given clearance by the board yet, and they will consider what can be done about this. So the Delhi High Court bench headed by Justice Justice Sachin Datta has asked now the CBFC to take into account the concerns raised by the family, to also consider if this matter needs to be referred to the army for clearance. Because remember, the producers of the film appearing before the court have denied these allegations. They have said that this is not a direct reference whatsoever to the life and the work by Major Sharma. It is something that has been inspired by several stories about covert operations by Indian Armed Forces officials. Now, what the CBFC will do, we'll have to wait and see. But today, the CBFC Council has clearly said that they will be taking into account the concerns by the family before giving clearance to this particular film. But at the moment, we'll have to wait and see what happens next.
Right.
Back to you.
Thank you, Anisha, for all those details.